Miss Kiara, I know we're behind with our payments, but you can't shut the cinema down. Can you please meet me here tomorrow morning to discuss this? It's urgent. Thank you. I'll be here at 9 a.m. and I'll ask the owners to join me. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
I'm Detective Adisa and this is my assistant Molly. What is your name and what time did you discover the bodies?
I'm Sally, the cinema manager. I found the bodies at 9:05. I remember the time as I was a little bit late, but we arranged an appointment to meet at 9.
What was the appointment for?
Well, the cinema is in financial trouble. Kiara, the bank manager, wanted to shut us down, but I begged her to meet us so we could discuss our options.
Thank you very much.
It's definitely her.
Let's examine all the evidence before we jump to conclusions.
The bank manager was shot in the head, but first I have to have an autopsy with the cinema owner to determine the cause of death.
Okay, thank you. What's your name and how long have you been working at the cinema?
I'm Matilda and I've been at OJ here since the owner hired me 2 years ago.
That's unusual, isn't it? The owner hired you, not the manager?
I don't get along with the manager. It's her fault the cinema is in so much trouble.
Why do you think anyone would want to kill the owner and the bank manager?
I don't know, but I think it was Sally.
That was the pathologist. He said the cinema's owner's body's gone missing.
Okay, thank you, Matilda. How long did you work with Kiara at the bank?
I worked under Kiara for about 4 years. She was very fair, but that cinema was a financial disaster. Sadly, the manager set up free events for kids and the community, but they lost a lot of money.
Do you think Sally would hurt Kiara?
No, I've never met her, but from what I've heard, she's a very compassionate person, just not a great business person.
Did you have any dealings with the owner?
I met her on one occasion. She was very business-minded. She wasn't interested in community events, just wanted to make money.
One last question. Do you know what time Kiara's appointment was set for?
Sally asked to meet her at 9, but Amelia, the owner, called and changed the time to 8:30.
Okay, thank you. That's all I need to know.
Hello? Oh no. Monty, bank clerk who spoke to you yesterday, is dead.
I know who the murderer is.
It's obvious. It's Sally. What?
Sally loves the cinema and her local community. She'd do anything to save the cinema. Except murder.
Very clever, detective.
Put the gun down. Case closed.